Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little intro into this Code HS website that I found. I think when you guys log in and type in my code that you will see this list of items kind of like I see. And I have moved data structures up to the top. That's where they talk about arrays and array lists. And I feel like we could use some more practice on that. So I put that up here. And if you look at the lessons, and I don't know if your view is going to be the same as mine or not, we'll see. I did not, I pushed like 5.1 and 5.2 to the bottom because they were super kind of low level stuff about arrays. So the first three that I'm going to ask you guys to do are 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5. So if I go into here, I'm just going to hop into one and just kind of show you a little bit about it. So let's see. This is one where it asks you to print the odd indices of an array. So I will tell you that the first time I did this, I just tried to, can't type right now, I just tried to access each like odd index, So I said, okay, we'll print what's in position 1 and then print what's in position 3. Those would be my odd numbers. And when I went over here to run my code, so there's a little button here that runs your code. I got the correct answers, but then I click check my code and I have some errors, and it says that this is out of bounds. And this confused me for a little bit. And I realized that what I needed is a loop, because in Code HS, it's kind of like Eclipse, right? This looks a lot like Eclipse, but then it's also a little bit like Coding Bat. So they check a bunch of different arrays. And since I was just looking at this one, I was going out of bounds on these other smaller arrays. And then I think also it didn't call the method in this one. And so I had to put that method call in. So there are a few kind of things you have to figure out. Let's see. The other thing, if you forget what you're supposed to do, you can click assignment up here and it'll give you the instructions again. I haven't really played with any of these things here. So I've run my code, I check it. And then along the bottom here, you can go to different like earlier exercises or other exercises to look at. And it does have some tests and things in there. There are a few things that I struggled with that I will maybe just include in the comments in Google Classroom just to kind of help you guys out. So it took me probably like a half hour to get through this 5.3 lesson. So I'm going to give you guys 2 days to do it in case it takes you guys a little bit longer than that. So my hope is that you guys finish this between Monday and Tuesday. I think that's it for now. I just want to show you some things about this, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye.